Hello and welcome to the Saturday MP Show, episode number 69, being recorded mostly live October 2nd, 2025. This is a show about shipping secure, high quality software faster. And I'm your host, Chris, and we say mostly live because that's pretty much it. Like, it's just me kind of working how I'd work normally during the day, and I just hit record and I just talk a lot more than if I didn't have the microphone on, if I didn't hit record. So if you want like a quick polished video of something, this is not it. This is a pretty rough video. Yeah, there's lots of those polished 5-minute ones, but if you want to see what it's like for, I don't know, developer to do some work during the day, like a real developer doing real work, not just like the 5-minute cut and paste or the 5-minute edited version, this is the one for you. All right. So I guess a couple things before we get started. This is part 2 of a kind of a series where I have this is my website here for Saturday Morning Productions. It's a Rails website, but it doesn't do any Railsy things. It's just pretty much a static website, the blog that takes you to a WordPress blog. But right, like it's pretty staticky. You know, this Calendly thing is probably the most dynamic thing, but even that doesn't rely on anything how do I get rid of this? Can I just click on the side here? There we go. It doesn't really rely on anything like Rails like. So we recently moved the weekly dev chat website, we moved it from WordPress to just kind of a GitHub blog, like a hosted GitHub Pages. And that works really well. I was really impressed with that. So I might as well just move my company blog there too. And it's just like it's free. Like I have to pay for all this hosting here, but on GitHub Pages, it's free. And it's just a static page. And it uses Jekyll, so it's pretty easy to add things and edit it, I think. So anyway, let's try it for a bit. In worst case, maybe I host it somewhere else. So last video, we basically set up a basic empty Jekyll website. This is the localhost version, but it's actually running. Is it github.io? Yeah, okay, so it's actually running on GitHub. So we got this all set up last video. I'll have to put the copyright on there. And today we're just going to, hopefully this whole video, again, it's mostly live. I don't know how long this will take. Hopefully we'll just migrate these pages over. Like there's really just this page about the contact, and then get the kind of Calendly link up and running. So I think I just want to port everything as is, and then maybe I'll make some changes later. And then the blog, I don't know if I'll port the blog over or not. I'll have to see. I'll have to put some thought into that. Maybe the blog won't go in the same place as this. I don't know. I'll have to see how that works. So, but anyway, let's see if we can get that working. And so it'll be kind of a combination of me reading stuff, and for probably because all these AI agents are all the rage now. So, and I ponied up for a Claude Code. What is it? The Max subscription for this month, just to try it out. And even before they released Claude Code 2 and Sonnet 4.5. So probably use a little bit of that just to see, I don't know, get to do some of the grunt work for us. So, okay. But first, I noticed, so with Jekyll here, I noticed one of the things, let me bring back the site here. I was kind of poking around to see what it did. And I noticed you can see on the site here, you can see the Docker Compose and stuff like that. So if you actually go here and you go like Docker Compose.yaml, you can actually see that. So I'm pretty sure I can see that. Not that I'm too like it's a public site, but I don't want this stuff to show up there. So I guess the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fix it. So some of these files, assets, that's just the style sheet. Okay. It's like we don't want the Docker files in there. We want index. We probably don't want the license and the README in there. So it looks like Jekyll, I'll have to, as far as I can tell, I'll have to do a little bit of reading, but this config file tells you, I think by default, it uses everything. Which I don't think we want. So let's see. So Jekyll website. exclude and include. So there's an exclude. So we might just have to add that in there. So oh, maybe we'll put everything, because right now it just has it all in the root. Maybe that's a bad idea. I wonder if we can move this, if this site source. Oh, is this? Okay, exclude. Yeah, like that's probably the best, eh? Like, what are some Jekyll website best practices? Hopefully this is make that a bit bigger. So it comes through in the video a little bit. Yeah, plugins. Optimize your oh yeah, directory structure. Here we are. Okay, so if we config.yaml, oh, we don't have a data. Drafts includes layouts. Okay, so we have the layouts. Posts. Oh, okay, so they do put the index right there, right at the page. Okay, so we're kind of following the standard one. I'll just have to but the file has oh, okay, so does this include dot files? Okay, well that's good. Doesn't include underscores. Okay, well, let's see. It says there's something else. Oh, that's hilarious. I'm moving my site from Ruby to Rails, and it says that this is a Jekyll site. Oh, that's really funny. Okay. I don't know how I would see what the heck it is. Can I? Oh, that's okay. Just go with what they got. Okay, so Jekyll exclude. So what I just want to mostly just ignore. Yeah, like readme. Yeah. Okay. So just because, again, I've been playing around with all the I want the WSL one. I've been playing around with all the Claude Code and stuff, and I got the Claude Code, so I could try the agent. Like, I think I have 4.5 agent here. But I don't know if I'll keep Claude Code or not. So I might as well use my month's worth of it here. All right. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So let's just see if Claude, because basically I wanted to ignore it. Like, okay. Now, do I need it to create? Hopefully, it's smart enough to figure out this is a Jekyll. Do I create a Claude MD file or GitHub Agents or whatever that is? Let's just try it without it for now, please. Actually, let's create the Claude MD. I just find those so useful. MD file. So please read this project carefully. Let's put examine. And create a Claude MD file. And then I think I won't commit it for now. Okay, so just create that. I don't know about you, but if you use Claude Code, I didn't use Claude Code too much before because I only bought it like about a week before before they did the Claude 2 and the Claude Sonnet 4.5, but it seems a lot faster than even like the previous week or so that I played around with it. So, yeah, sure. Okay, let's see what I put for the Claude MD. Oh yeah, for some reason on WSL it doesn't automatically update. Okay. Okay, well, it knows how to run it. Okay, that's cool. Adding pages. Okay, so okay, that's fine. So, I'm just going to, I think, do I just ignore this for now? Okay, well, actually, first of all, let's create a branch. Feature, what am I doing? Ignore. Ignore. Or no, let's not ignore. Exclude files from build. Sure. Okay. And now, so we created that. So, sure. Is there any harm? Like, I can always delete it later. And I really wish all these agents would standardize. I know agents, I think .md is becoming a standard, but I think there needs to be one for like generic agents, and then maybe one if you're using like a specific agent. It's like you have a general one, and then it gets over and made by a specific one. Because I know GitHub loves to put it in the .github folder with the Copilot instructions or something like that. So, sure, let's just add the. Okay. Sure. Let's just add it. What the heck? I guess it can't hurt anything. It is kind of nice documentation. So, okay. So that's in there. Sure. Please remove files not needed for the site, such as Docker Compose. What are all the ones that I need? Docker entry point.sh, license, and Claude.md. Oh, I wonder if it's going to know what I meant to update the config. Nope. That's not what I want. Good thing it was in planning mode. No. I meant to remove them from being included in the build. Jekyll site. Boondoggling. Okay, so news to know. Yeah, like I'm really surprised at how smart these are. Like it knew to read those. Oh yeah, the dot. You don't need to do that because all the dot ones are ignored by default, but that's okay. Okay, so if I go look at this. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, for some reason, like this is using window WSL. I don't know if I'm missing something, but it seems to take a bit to update. Okay, so now if I run, let's open up a new terminal. If I go Docker compose up app. Like I think this assets all this underscore site should be. See if it removes it all. Then I'll just delete it and maybe get it to try again. Oh yeah, right. That's the default build. Oh, it should take a long time. What's going on here? Oh, do I still have it running somewhere? Oh, maybe I left it still running somehow. Yeah, I must have left it running somehow. Okay. Let's go here. Just oops. Nope. I want to go back here. Let's fire it up. Oh, I didn't. Okay, let's delete this site. I think I should just be able to delete everything in here. Yes. Yes, it's fine. Oh, I don't know if it because it's WSL. I don't know if that's going to work actually. Let's just do it this way. Site. Oh, right. Because it's going to be created as root, right? Yeah. Yeah. Now let's try running it again. Server running. Hooray. Okay. Yeah. All right, cool. It doesn't have the files I don't want in there. Right on. So I think that's pretty good. It's kind of a shame. Everything I add here, after going to have to remember. Again, it's not a big deal. Like this is a public website, but it's kind of a shame that you have to remember to remove all that stuff all the time. Okay. So I want the feed. That's fine. I want the index, of course. Robots is fine. Sitemap. I guess the robots must get created because I don't have it here. And the sitemap is created as well, I think. Okay, cool. All right, done. Boom. Okay. Publish the branch, I guess. Oh. Yeah. Nope. What's going on? Why I don't I thought I created a key for all this. Okay, I might have to pause the video for a second while I figure out why my key is not working. Give me 1 second. Well, I guess I'll leave it running and maybe I'll... Okay, well, there's telling this voice I left it running. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Hooray. You don't have permission. No. Okay, let's see. Can I... Let's try this. See if it's an issue with Visual Studio. Modified. Oh, I made the Docker entry point executable. That's right. Git step. Why doesn't it notice the... Okay, let's do that. -m. Entry point. Let's see. Cool. What? Didn't I? You estimated that doing so would make... What? Check. Why did it get... okay. You just get to bend the most you could doing so would make what? Oh, that's interesting. Okay, let's just... Why does it keep thinking it's changed? Oh, now it's no longer read-writable? Executable? Oh, well, that's kind of annoying. All right, let's get status. Git restore. Did that fix it? No, of course it didn't. Change the line endings or something like that. What does the thing changed? Yeah, reverts it back to non-executable. Why are you doing that? Okay, well, this is really embarrassing. Okay, well, I don't know. Let's try. Why does Visual Studio Code make my executable file non-ex? Yeah. Okay. Open integrated terminal. Yes, done. What is this? Oh, I wonder if I can see what my... What is my file permission? Oops. Doesn't it show? Okay, it's true. So it's trying to preserve those bits. Okay, well, let's do this again. Change mod plus X. How do I append and get? Amend. Okay, dash dash amend. Sorry, I think I need to get add. Get. Okay, that make the problem go away? Hmm. Oh, is it because of the mounting? Can I open? How do I open? Maybe I didn't open this correctly. Okay, let's try this. Okay, WSL. Oh, should I make this bigger? There we go. Okay. Is it BS? Is that it? Code. Nope. Yes. Okay. That's how I opened it last time. No. How do I see my? Oh, I can't see my previous chats. Okay. Oh, sure. Refining question. Oh. Oh, maybe I don't have this. Okay, this is probably what I don't have set up. Okay, maybe WSL. Is it Control Shift V? WSL. Oh, maybe I don't have the WSL. That's probably what's going on. Okay. What's this? Okay. Yes, this is okay. There we go. I think this is my problem. So this is a new, for those that didn't watch previous video, this is a new computer as well. So, okay, so I think, okay, cool. Hooray. Okay. So I must have had this. Yeah, now everything's opened. Yeah, like it's here. Okay, okay. I had this extension installed on my previous old computer, but I don't have it with this new one. All right, so then again, yeah, hey, mostly live. Oh, I have to enable Copilot. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm right because now I'm running inside of whatchamacallit. So I think I need. I thought I had Claude. Oh yeah, there we go. There, okay. This looks a lot more familiar. Okay, I just have this set up correctly. Sure. Okay. Right. Okay, cool. We should be all good to go now. 30 minutes in. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Welcome. Okay, so that's all done. Okay, great. Hooray. So now we had that working. We're pretty happy with this. Let's create a pull request. Oh, I don't have the pull request extension installed in this, do I? No. Okay. So let's just go. Let me bring this up here. I should be able, first of all, let's go here. Publish this branch. Do I have the pull request? I don't. It's kind of a shame. Okay. Exclude files. Sure. So myself. This was like what, a bug maybe? Sure. Yeah, it's fine. I don't really have any milestones for this. We don't really care about that. It just gets published live right away. Okay. All looks good. Sure. Exclude file. Docker config files. Etc. And included in the published website. All right. Boom. This branch has not been deployed. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's just merge this and see what happens. Okay, and this could just be deleted. So we'll let that build and then we'll test it in a second. So for now, okay, so the other thing I got is I have my old website here. Now, how do what I need is I'll need the assets, I think, and the view. So I don't know if, can it read? I don't know. Let's see. Can Claude Code read outside? I kind of hope that it can't. Can it actually read outside of this folder? Probably. Let's see. So let's do the whole Claude thing here. And let's ask it. Well, I don't know. Let's ask it. Can you read from the repos website folder? Okay. And while it's thinking about that, let's bring this over here and GitHub Saturday. Yeah, there. Okay, so that looks better, and I shouldn't be able to see Docker compose.yaml. Okay, so it looks like it's gone. Let's just try readme.md. Okay, cool. All right, so it looks like it's fixed. Great. Yes, allow reading from website from this project. Oh, okay. So at least it's asking permission, because that's always the scariest thing, is it like it's just gonna muck with all your files. Okay. So let's see. So please, let's put it into plan mode. So please use the please replace the existing. So in empty and with the what is the exact I'll need a new, let's see. I think I just put it in home. So views, yeah, we have a home. Yeah, index. And then we have layouts. Okay. What's in the layouts? Just should be just one. Oh, I guess the mail ones too. Okay, so we want the application ERB. With the website views layouts application. What was it? I can never remember this. Application html.erb and the default layout. Oh, I got that backwards. Let's try this again. Existing default layout with the website slash views slash layouts slash application.html.erb and index.md with the website views slash layouts. No, views slash home slash index.html.erb. Is that what it is? Yeah, close enough. Okay, let's see what it does. Right, because in Ruby there's like a way to like, I can't remember exactly how you do it, but like kind of replace with what you got here, like, and put the content, or sorry, that's the place with the content. So I just needed to replace all those. Oh, I should move this to, okay, I'll do that in a minute. I'll create a new branch. Okay, well, it's stopped here because I've moved stuff around before while Claude or like some other agent is thinking, that it just gets really confused. Understandably, I would get really confused too if I was reading files and everything got changed on me. Okay, feature, add home page. Sure. I think that's all we want. We're just going to add the home page. Okay, so what's it going to say it's going to do? Yeah, okay. So yeah, because this is what I would kind of have to manually do. Like, hopefully it'll also grab the CSS and stuff. Yeah, okay. So grab the assets. Okay, like just a lot of stuff that I would just have to manually do. So let's see if it'll do it. Like, I think this is something where like AI really shines as kind of these manual, like busy work. Okay, yeah, and having this here, then now my updates happen right away. Okay, that's cool. Where did I put this? Oops. Oh, created includes. Okay. Oh yeah, what was that standard? Let's make sure it's following that standard layout. Don't want this. I want Jekyll file layout. No. Oh yeah, directory structure. There we are. Oh yeah, okay. So includes is a common thing. That's good. But okay, so yeah, it's finding all the things that my layouts use. That's great. I don't think the contactor media will work right away. That's fine. We can always clean those up. Or maybe we'll do the whole thing at once. Oh, whoops. Okay. I haven't put it into YOLO mode. So I get a little scared for running just commands randomly. So it wants to copy to home. That's fine. Okay, so it's copying the images over. Where should I put the images? If I look here. It doesn't really have a place to put images. Jekyll cache. Oh, okay. So usually you maybe just create an images folder or something. Okay, so where did it decide to put the, oh, okay, so there should be a lot of changes. Let's move this down. Oh, okay, so create an assets images folder. I'm down with that. Right, copied my, oh, cool. Does Jekyll do HTML? I guess it must. Parse HTML. Okay, well, let's try running this thing and see what happens. Where? App docker entry point.sh. No such file or directory. Why is there no such file? Should copy the whole thing here. Oh, this is embarrassing again, too. No, not web. Is it because it's executable now? Did I screw something up though? Yeah, it's not a Docker ignore. Oh, did my line endings get messed up? Yes, there we go. Okay. Haha. I guess I should have tested this before I before I did the other push. It's kind of embarrassing. Okay. What was I doing? All right, so let's go here. We look at our localhost. Holy crap, that's not too bad. We're missing some things. Ooh. Okay, I think we're missing the CSS file is what we're missing. Right, because if we look here, like all the text is there. I bet you we're just missing, because I think I'm using Bootstrap. So We might have to, if I look at the assets. Okay, so let's do this, and we'll call this added layout and home page. Okay. And then if we go back here, let's stop that just in case. And then, oh, I need to, oh, it even says that. Please. The site knows those bootstrap style by the CDN. How did it add? I don't see. Oh, it grabbed this bootstrap here. Okay. Include CSS styles from the website. Did that do it? Yeah, there's no CSS. You didn't copy the CSS files. Control. Oh yeah, so there's some way I'm supposed to be able to launch this. What does this do? Oh, okay. I don't know if that's any better or not. Okay, I'll convert. So can Jekyll can't handle, what could Jekyll handle? It had, oh yeah, it can handle SCS, looks like. Why would you? No. I think Jekyll can handle SCS files. Please put the SCS files in in. Oh yeah, but here this is that can be imported. Okay, how to work with assets. Oh, okay. I use the old coffee script gem. Okay. The file name. Place your main. Oh, okay, so we'll put the SAS stuff differently. Okay. In dot slash what was it? Underscore SAS. And then where does the main? And start the file with 2 lines of triple dashes like this. Oh, okay. Oh. What's your main? SAS are set in a place you want this to be. Take a look. Guess what's in here? Oh, okay. Sure. Let's just follow this example. If you're using SAS import statements. Okay, so the main dot should go in. I'll convert to plain. Oh, okay, so let's see. Can use bootstrap in Jekyll. Okay, well, let's just see what this comes up with. Wow, it's almost been an hour, so we might have to. Oh, let's see. Let's see if we get the homepage done. Maybe we'll call this video good. Oh, what's this dot Claude? Did I need to add that to get ignore? Did I accidentally commit dot Claude last time? Guess I should read what I'm. Oh no, it looks like it was ignored. Oh, okay. I think it was ignored. Looks like it. Oh yeah, I'll have to check the site. Does anything else added? I don't think so. All right, so change it to main. Added these things here in the main. Okay, it did put the 2. I remember reading it had to have the 2 lines there, so that's good. Okay. Let's see if that worked. All right, so hey, that looks better. It's still got the black. I don't think. Oh, it's the color's not quite right, but that's pretty close. Oh, right on. Right? Yeah, probably the biggest thing is probably those buttons don't look right. Oh, right. It put this. I was working on this media page. I don't need that, so we're gonna get rid of that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty close. Wow. Okay. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, let's take a look at this site folder to make sure it didn't add anything I don't want. So it should have squished. Right, like it should have just squished. Okay, it squished all those other ones into this. I don't think I need this style anymore. Where does this style come from anyway? Oh yeah, does it handle look okay for like on a phone? Screen size? Yeah, looks like it. Still squish it. Oh, okay. Well, I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, we'll have to fix the buttons and stuff, but I guess there will be a part. I was hoping to get this all done in one thing, but hey, live coding. So where's this style? Where would that come from? Like, because I don't reference it anywhere. Okay, let's just start stopping this, and then let's oops, sudo rm negative rf. Okay, so and then let's just try running this again. And then look at the site assets. Oh, it's still a style. I don't know where that's going. Okay, I'll have to look that up. Or if you know, throw it in the comments below. Right. Okay. Yeah, like that's pretty awesome. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, like I just had to figure out what's wrong with that button, but it's not too shabby. Like I don't think like this won't work. Yeah. Because we'll add those pages. I didn't want it to add everything at once because it was just going to get all confused. And then I thought once I got the layout and stuff in there, that's probably the biggest one. So, wow, I'm pretty happy with that. So, I don't know when I'll publish this video, but if you're watching it and I haven't published part 3, let me know if you want to see part 3. I'll probably do it anyway, just adding the last 2. Yeah, this is about an hour, so this is probably a good time to quit. So, yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll just kind of keep plugging away at that over the next couple days. What time? Yeah, I got some other commitments I got to go to here. So yeah, thank you all for watching as usual. If you found this useful or exciting or anything like that, and you think others might benefit from watching it, please hit the like and subscribe, and or just even share this with your friends or other people you think would find this useful. If you have any questions for something you want me to try, or like a question you want me to answer, or something you want me to try in the future, please also you can shoot me an email to I think it's still ask@SaturdayMP.com. I think I still have that enabled. I did some house cleaning on email addresses and other stuff. I should really test that. If that doesn't work, you could find other ways to reach me on the website there that I've been showing a bunch, or you can leave comments down below. Yeah. So thank you again, and happy coding. Take care. Bye.